Hi, welcome to the first week of Python Basic course. My congratulations! Your journey, where you will learn a lot about Python programming language, starts now. This week, we will discuss the basics of our course, our goals and our intentions. We will also discuss the course toolkit, all the software which will be used in order to succeed during this course. After that, we will proceed to the discussion of your first script and cover such topics as variable assignment, operators and expressions, and very similar stuff. So, this course is about operators, loops, including for and while, functions, both built-in and made by a user, recursions, debugging, and very similar stuff which you might find in any other programming languages. Besides that, this course is about cats, clocks, API, IP, triangles, squares, Fibonacci numbers, American Next MasterChef series, and even the last film made by Christopher Nolan, Tenet. So during this course, we will discuss different applications of Python programming language and see how it might be applied to solve different tasks in many areas. After all, this course is about snakes, like Python. So we'll discuss very basics of Python programming language, and as a result of this course, you will be able to use Python interactively. It means that as a result of this course, you will be able to solve your own tasks beyond the scope of this course and try to come up with different ideas and ways to resolve them using Python programming language. Besides that, we want you to understand assignment semantics as a result of this course. It means that as a result, you will easily transform very ideas expressed in text into Python code. After all, we want you to use Python data structures and logical expressions appropriately. We want you to be able to use debugging instruments and error handling in order to check whether your code is correct or not. In this course, we suggest that you might choose one of two tracks. We call them as basic track and with honors track. Mostly they're similar, but there are a few differences which make, for instance, honor track a bit more complicated for some students. First of all, it is different in terms of video and readings. So both videos and readings should be similar in both of these tracks, but at the same time, if you choose with honors, you will get access to extra materials. Besides that, our course includes a lot of programming assignments, and we want you to finish all of them to succeed. However, with honors track, provide you with extra opportunity to master your skills in programming by providing you with extra programming assignments. Stuff like staff-graded assignment and quizzes is included in both of these tracks. So you will have staff-graded assignments with the feedback of our staff and quizzes where you can check, are you familiar with the course materials or not? Check it out, because both of these formats have its deadlines. There are two main instruments which will be used in this course in order to succeed. So first of all, we will use PyCharm. PyCharm is an integrated development environment developed by JetBrains, which is Czech software development company. In PyCharm, you can use such instruments as coding assistance and analysis in order to see whether your code is organized well or not. You can also use code completion in order to don't have to keep in mind all the functions. Just basically start with them, and then PyCharm will help you with the completing code. Syntax and error highlighting is another useful feature of PyCharm. And besides that, you can also use debugger and error handling, which will allow you to check whether your program is correct or not. We will also use Jupyter. Jupyter is an open source web application to create and share documents. So here you can use such instruments as live code, equations, different visualization instruments, and to provide your reader with some kind of narrative text, some kind of logic behind your code, an explanation of your solution. So that is why we strongly recommend you to use Jupyter in order to finish all of your staff-graded assignments, basically. So my congratulations, because your journey starts right now.